We have natural science, and the topic for the lesson is going to be the structure of a plant. When I say plants, I hope now you are thinking of many. Can you guess a plant? Sure, I know you may know many of the plants. Now, let's move on. The objectives of this lesson, by the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify different kinds of plants and also know the parts of plants and their uses as well. So let's continue with our lesson. Looking at these two pictures, I have two groups. They are groups of living things. That is group A and group B. Can you identify some similarities or differences in these groups? Yes, there are two groups. That is group A and B. They are groups of living things. Now, can you guess A and B, their names? Yeah, group A is a group of animals and B, group of plants. Yes, we are talking about plants. So let's look at this beautiful plant. Yes, we are going to label the parts for you to know that plants have different parts. Now let's look at the green beautiful things on top of the plant. Can you guess what they are? Yes, it's the leaves. They are the leaves of the plant. Yes, so you can see an arrow pointing at one. So it's the leaf. Leaf. Yes, that is the leaf of the plant. Let's move on to this. Yes, you can see something holding the leaves. It's called branch. Branch. The branches of the plant. Now let's look at this. This arrow is pointing at a beautiful thing. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's a fruit. Can you identify that fruit? Yes, it's an orange. Orange is a fruit, so it's also part of the plant. Moving on, this arrow is also pointing to the stem of the plant. Yes, now you can see when you take a plant from the ground, yes, the part of the plant that is in the ground is called roots. Yes, this is the root of the plant. Now, let's move on to what all these parts of the plant do. That is their various uses. Yes, I brought another plant here. There was a special part which we couldn't identify in the first picture. Can you guess the part? Yeah, it's the flower. The flowers of the plant. Yes, they are the bright colored and beautiful. Yes, the things you see, these are the flowers of the plant. Now we are going to talk about the uses of each part, starting with the first part, that is the flowers of the plant. Yes, the flowers of the plant, they help the plant to reproduce new plants. Yes, the flowers, they help the plant to reproduce new plants. Now, what does the fruit also do? The fruit of the plant protects the seed of the plant. They protect the seed I hope we all like fruits. Yeah. Now the leaf of the plant, the green beautiful leaf, they help the plant to make its own food. Because we cannot prepare food for the plant does so by itself. So the leaf prepared the plant food. The stem of the plant here. This is the stem of the plant. The stem supports the plant to stand firm. That is the stem of the plant. It supports the plant to stand firm. Yes, firmly on the ground. Lastly, to the roots. The root of the plant, they absorbs water and other minerals that serve as food to the plant from the soil. That is the work of the roots. They absorb water from the ground to the plant. Yes, we have the branch of the plant. The branch also holds the leaves and the fruit. Without the branches, the plant cannot have fruits and leaves. They are where we can see the leaves and the fruit. Like you can see, this is the branch and the leaves is connected to the plant. Now, to end our lesson, we talk about a beautiful thing called plant, and we spoke about the part where we said the flower, the fruit, the leaf, the branch, the stem, and the roots of the plant. I hope you remember the plant. Yes, the whole of this is the plant. We have the flowers, the stem, the fruit, the leaves, the branch, and the roots. Yes, we end our lesson here. Thank you for staying with us. See you in the next video. Please continue with the quiz that follows. Thank you.